In a city defined by growth, only a few locations truly stand out. Imagine owning a land for as low as 5.4 million naira in one of Abuja's fast-rising corridor, where infrastructure, access, and value converge. Exclusive City Idu is one of those rare opportunities smart investors wait for. With just minutes from the Idu train station and right beside the post-army estate, and sitting directly on the Child Road. And before the estate, the new Airport Link Road is on the way, setting the stage for exceptional connectivity and long-term value. This is premium flat land. No extra spending on DPC, no hidden costs. You buy, you build. The development here is not a promise. It is happening almost immediately. For smart investors who prioritizes certainty and security, a verified FCDA C of O document is available and not area council, which means your investment is fully secured. Prices still on pre-sale for as low as 5.4 million naira. This is a golden chance to position yourself in 2026. This is the kind of opportunity smart investors secured last year. Promo ends in a few days. Buy now before the infrastructure completion drives the next price increase. Call us today or click the link below this video to book an inspection. See you soon.